What did you say?
God's country.
What is this, Appalachian America?
I like saying God's country.
And you say Appalachian America.
Appalachian America, God's country.
Amen.
Amen.
So what's your kitty's name that rides on the donkey? Chriselle, do you know what the cookie's name is?
No.
Twinkie.
Twinkie.
Twinkle
It's not a cookie, it's a Twinkie.
It's a Twinkie.
So this kitty, Twinkie, loves to ride on Isabel. Okay, well, oh, I just got home from work, so the kitty wants to come see me. What do you have to say for yourself, agriculture queen?
Appalachian America, like God's country.
Amen. You said that right.
Amen.
And then we say, I like to ride my horses and shoot my guns.
May 5th.
Oh, come on.
There you go.
Say,
May 5th.
okay,
There
you did good.
That's the grandma.
Appalachian America. You heard it from Lexi. God's country. Oh, yeah, look at those curls. Oh, they came out good.
I told her you have a hot wife.
Oh, my God, you did a good job. She didn't. Oh, man, that came out good. What do you say, Chriselle? Awesome. So when do we go to Camp Funshine? Next month.
June,
Next month, up there on above 7 Mile Ridge.
day after your birthday.
The day after my birthday. Yes.
Mommy. My mommy.
Yes, Mommy.
My mommy.
Yes,
She looked at
I'm
me
the
like,
mom.
wait a minute, my mommy.
Appalachian America, God's country.
And that's awesome. And we love you, Lexi. The agriculture queen coming to you in July in South Carolina. See ya. South, it's not Kakalaki. It's South Kakalaka.
You can buy.
See ya. Coming to you in South Kakalaka in July. Come see me, agricultural queen, in,
Come see me.
in South Kakalaka.
Come see me again and ask her where.
See ya.